Okay guys, so here's a 1970, I'm pretty sure, Chevy, I don't know if it's a, oh, it's a C20, okay. It's not a C10, it's a C20, 1970, so 350 V8 looks like. I saw this truck before. It's a barn find. See if the door opens. Okay, it does. Oh wow, it does open. And I guess the story on that seat is they accidentally locked a dog in here. That's why that seat is, the bottom of the seat is destroyed. Has only 71,000 miles, which is about normal, I'd say. It's an automatic train. Oh, it has a key in it. Cool. Heater. Don't think it has AC. Nope, no AC. No floors in it, basically. I wonder what that thing is. What kind of trailer thing? It's a fuse box. Blue interior. I'm not gonna try to roll down the windows. Huh. Gas caps on there, that's good. Big dent. Yeah, this thing's a farm. This thing was a farm truck. I think they put it back 20 years ago. Looks like spare tire, my old gas cans. The bed actually ain't rotted out. Holy cow. I can't believe that. Wow, I thought the bed was rotted out. How many lugs is that? Eight lug? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, 8 lugs on that thing. Bad boy. No tread on the tires. Oh, is that dual exhaust? Oh, the exhaust end's right there. Springs on it. It's definitely a beater, but tailgate rusted out. Oh. I don't know what that was. That was a weird animal. It looks complete though. Oh, let me know if you guys think I should get it, because they might not want too much money for this thing. I don't know. Let me know if I should maybe get this thing. I mean, I don't really know if I want it or not. Be a cool hauler truck. This thing true dualed from the factory? Because it has the muffler's completely rusted out. It has 2 pipes going to the muffler, it looks like, and 2 pipes coming out of the muffler. Maybe it's like a dual in, dual out muffler. Huh. There's the GoPro case. I'm on the GoPro right now, guys. GoPro's awesome. I love this thing. Okay, so how do you open the hood on this thing? Oh crap, I don't know if this is gonna work. Oh, here it is. Oh, there we go. Holy God. Oh my God. Oh. Okay, I'm not used to that. Oh, it has a battery in it yet? 350 V8 looks like. Some manifolds on it. Big old, oh, it's power brakes? Holy crap. I think that's kind of rare. Dang, this thing has power brakes on it? Is that a power steering pump? Oh my gosh, I think that's power steering. No way. Let me know if that's power steering, guys. Oh. Oh, dang, it has a fan clutch on it, looks like. So I don't know if it's stuck or not. Shoot, that sucks. I can't tell if it's stuck, but I think it's either AC. That has to be power steering. That's insane, though. I think it's kind of rare. Dang, I didn't ever check for brakes. Pretty sure it has oil in it, I guess. Radiator don't look too bad. Now let me know if I should save this truck. There's the heater system. I mean, I know AC, but I'll have to check if there's brakes just for fun of it. Sheesh. Okay, those hinges need oil. I'm just glad they came up. Let's check for brakes. I love the mirrors. Oh my God. Throttle linkage works. No way. There's still brakes, guys. Holy crap. Oh my God. There's still a little bit of brake pressure. Holy crap. That's so amazing. I'm really excited. It's still a farm. Oh wow, that's cool. Hefner Fort Wayne 500 Chevy. There's people who live on the farm here. They're my aunt's brother. That's who has this truck. But Wow, when all the glass is good yet on it, looks like. Let's look at the other side. See if we can. My hands are freezing. It's like 30-some degrees out. Snow this morning. First snow this year, I guess you can say. The bed don't look too bad on that side. Custom 20 C10. I did want to look at the VIN number. Shoot. Ah, don't know where that. Oh, I'd be on the dash, right? I think. Darn, can't tell. Oh well. I'm probably going to sign off for this video. I'm going to take some pictures of it real quick. Only problem is I don't think it'll fit on my grandpa's trailer. But yeah, I'll see you guys around next time for the next video and stay updated on the Opel GT and other videos like that too. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.